What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on Cardano because once again we are forming a really interesting trading setup that I want you to know about. So if you are interested, if right now there is really good opportunity to buy this coin and what is the exact price that I think this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 4-hour chart. Right now we are having here a small dump, which is currently having around like 14% of a net market. The main area that I'm watching here is this bullish order block, which is between levels 1.087 and 1.034. And if we are gonna test this bullish order block and there will be a liquidity grab under like all of these previous important lows, this is a first potential long opportunity that I am watching here. So the entry will be somewhere in the bullish order block after support confirmation, and stop loss in this case you need to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. The last take profit target you can then place under two levels. The first one is $1.5 mark, which will give you itself risk reward ratio around 9.29. Or if you want, you can place it on the higher levels, which will give you risk reward ratio up to almost 20. The second potential take profit target is, as you can see, under the $2 mark, which will be next important psychological resistance. Of course, in both of these trading scenarios, you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profit you definitely want to take like under this previous highs, this previous high, and if the $1.5 mark will be your last take profit target, then you should take some of the profits, of course, on the last take profit target. But if you will gonna aim for that $2 mark, then some of the profits you need to again take under that $1.5 mark, then for example 1.7, 1.85, and then you will save some back to a last take profit target. So from the risk reward ratio like 19, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 14, 13, something like that, which is in my opinion still absolutely amazing trading setup. Another potential trade that you can take here is associated with the second bullish order block, which is between levels 1.01 and 0.973. Of course, if this won't be just a fake out and we are gonna retest a liquidity in this bullish order block, then you should wait for a liquidity grab under these previous lows as well. The exact trade is quite similar like the previous one, so stop loss in this case you need to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. So let's assume it will be like around like 5% of a net market. And the last take profit target, again, you can place it either that $1.5 mark, which will give you itself risk reward ratio around 10, or under the $2 mark, which will give you again risk reward ratio around 19. These trades will be definitely similar. And the only thing that will really matter is how big a potential stop loss will be, because of course if the stop loss will be like 13%, then this setup is invalid because the risk reward ratio is not that great anymore. But if it will be around like 5, 6, 4% of a net market, then I think this is a definitely setup that you should take. On the 12-hour chart, I am also watching this another bullish order block, which is between level 0.9691 and 0.8905. Again, the setup is quite similar, so you want to wait here for that liquidity grab and then a support confirmation. In this case, stop loss you should place under the low that we will create during the fake out. Last take profit targets can remain exactly the same, so you can also use the same potential take profit targets. Actually, we are right now having here several interesting bullish order blocks. For example, on that 12-hour chart, the next one is between level 0.763 and 0.715, and then between level 0.570 and 0.528. And the only difference is how big this coin will eventually fall, because in my opinion, this coin will not probably fall that much, so I'm mainly watching like this first bullish order block that I will show you. But if you will, for example, catch the first move, you will get closed by a stop loss, and then the second trade will be profitable, then because of a positive risk reward ratio, you will be still in a huge profit. In the long time perspective, my take profit target is remaining exactly the same. So I am still thinking that in the upcoming bull market, we are gonna achieve this bearish order block, which is between levels 3.50 and 2.70. And this is only a small fall, because if we are gonna compare the current pump, which had around like 300%, and right now we are having here a drop around like 13. It's kind of funny, and in my opinion, you can only use it as a potential long entry. But yeah guys, this will be all from me for today. If you, for example, want to copy my exact trades, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.